Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Fahim Shahriar Rizvi. My ID is 241-15610. Currently, I am studying at Daffodil International University and Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Basically, I am from the beautiful district of Bangladesh named Noga. Now I am living Daffodil Smart City for my study and for my personal growth. I believe that Daffodil is the perfect choice for me as my undergraduate degree. I have completed my SSC from my village school named Madhur High School and have completed my HSC examination from Rajshahi's most popular college, Rajshahi Government Model School and College. Both of these examination I secured GPA 5 both of this external examination. In university, I am learning the basics of computer science and engineering like C, C++, Python, HTML, CSS, Java, object-oriented programming. Besides programming languages, I am also skilled in Canva, Adobe Photoshop, and Microsoft Office like Microsoft PowerPoint. It is usually used for making a slide for presentation in my university. I am very skilled in Microsoft PowerPoint. Every semester, my university organizes a lot of programs like Takeoff, Unlock the Algorithm, Hackathon, and Typing Contest, etc. etc. Last time, I participated Unlock the Algorithm contest and I was the one of finalists. I have completed many code-based projects like pharmacy management system, hospital management system, e-ticketing system. Besides my study, I enjoy with playing football, reading books, and watching movies. Sometimes I published a short article about technology and AI on my personal website named petatech24.com. When it's time to communication skill, I am very much fluent in English, Bangla, Urdu, Hindi, and Arabic. Thank you for watching my resume.